Hello. Thanks for dropping in. I have this tour pit here. Oh, because this should be a quick video. I just got to look something up here. But I can tell you a little bit about it as I go, and that is that this Thursday, TPUG is having a special guest, and it's Leonard Tramiel. I'm just trying to find... There we are. Commodore, Toronto Pet Users Group. All Commodore to make a computer. Alright, let's see here. Let's see. It should be. Oh, this is going way too far back. Hang on a second. Okay. Excuse me 1 second. By the way, this is an episode, not an episode, an edition of the Tour Pit celebrating the World of Commodore show, and there's Jack Tramiel on the front. Hang on. I'm doing something different because I've seen this online, and I don't want you to miss out. Oh, what is this? Why? No. It's funny. Sometimes you go to type things in and it just doesn't work. What is this? Oh my god. Damn it. Okay, TPUG. Well, I saw it. I'm sorry, this is just... this... Okay. So, if you go to https://www.tpug.ca, I've just supposedly done that. And I will try and set... oh, golly, it's so small in here. Okay. Okay, so before I get any deeper into this, on April the 20th, 2023, at 7:30 p.m., and if you want to go in person, it's at the Alderwood United Church, which is 44 Delma Drive, Toronto, Ontario, M8W4N6. And virtually, there's Zoom, and there's all kinds of things here about how to get in. And I will share all this. So this is Monday, when I'm filming this. So on Thursday, I think it's Thursday, April the 20th. Yes. Let me just verify that. Yes, 1890. Yes, it is the 20th. So, let me read a little bit here. TPUG is proud to announce our special guest, Leonard Tramiel, joining us over Zoom, who will be interviewed by Nico. Tramiel received his Bachelor of Science degree in Physics from Santa Clara University in 1976 and earned his Master of Arts, Master of Philosophy, and Doctoral of Philosophy degrees, all in physics, from Columbia University. He worked in the Columbia Astrophysics Lab under advisor Professor Gary Channon, now at the University of California at Irvine. First out of graduate school, Tramiel joined his father and two brothers when his father bought Atari from Warner Communications in 1984. For the next 12 years, Tramiel was involved in the development of Atari's products as vice president of software, managing an integral group of a dozen programmers while interacting worldwide with software developers and contract programmers. Leonard Tramiel was involved in the early days of the personal computer and video game industry, working on the Commodore PET, as well as the Atari ST/TT line of computers and the Atari Jaguar video game. Since retiring from Atari at age 42, he has been concentrating on advocating science education. See Forbes magazine, October 30th, 2000, for his work to improve the quality of science textbooks with the California Department of Education. Tramiel has also been a volunteer 8th grade astronomy teacher for the past 10 years and has been volunteering at the Shabbat Space and Science Center since 2000. Come join us, Come join us, 2023, April the 20th at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time, GMT -4. I'm assuming most of you will be doing this virtually. Anyway, I will share this whole link and everything, and there are many things. And the meetings are typically an hour and a half or two, and most of the time, Nico will interview, and then the chances are there'll be a chance for questions and answers and interactions and things. So Leonard Tramiel is coming to the Toronto Pet Users Group virtually on April the 20th, 2023. And if you look into the information below this video, you should find all the links and things. If you have any trouble at all, go to TPUG.CA, TPUG.CA, and it will have all the details there. Anyway, this is an edition of the Torpet, which this was put out December of 1983, not long before Jack and the rest of the Tramiels were no more at Commodore, and that really did signal the beginning of the end. It did. Anyway, this was also at the time that the Torpet and TPUG were going their separate ways. It was an ugly time. But anyway, this was a special edition of the Torpet for the World of Commodore that was in Toronto. That's the World of Commodore special issue. And it was a centerfold ad from RTC. It was, I don't know how many they printed. But anyway, there are many names I recognize in here. Jim Butterfield, Jay Williams, Elizabeth Steele. Oh, and here, do not forget this ever. That didn't go well. This, if I could just hold it, is the Proline team of Jim Butterfield, Steve Punter, and Brad Templeton in football garb. There they are. They each did their own specific things, but they were well-known names and characters in the Commodore world, and so they were featured on such advertising. They were, let's see, Jim was SpellPro 64, Punter was WordPro 64 and MailPro 64, and Brad Templeton, I believe anyway, I think this is how it was laid out, because this under was PAL 64, Power 64, Toolbox 64. And I certainly know, I remember well, that with Power 64, it was a great thing. I think I'm remembering right. It let you do all kinds of magical things. And I did actually get it in preparation to do some work on a television show. Excuse me. And it was great. Let me do all kinds of things that were not otherwise possible to do, that helped to keep things just so and tickety-boo, as they say. So, I will, as far as I know, I will be at this meeting, listening in and perhaps asking questions. And it is not often that this opportunity comes along. Like, I don't think he's ever come or been part of a TPUG meeting. I don't know how many other clubs and other things that he may have been reached out to or involved in. But this should be a very special event. So, hope to see you online Thursday, April the 20th, 2023. Go to TPUG.CA for all the information and all the links if you can't find it with this that I am about to finish off and upload. Thanks so much for coming. See you soon. Perhaps. Bye for now. It's okay to come out now, Penny. It's okay, Penny. I don't know where she is, but I know she's around here somewhere. Bye for now.